In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on your YouTube. So by turning off restricted mode, you will allow YouTube to show even much content or restricted content that might not meant for younger people on your YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So to do this, go ahead and click on your account on top here and then head down here under restricted mode. You can see currently it is turned on. To change this, go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and toggle this off, and therefore this will go ahead and switch your account to general or all content that have been allowed on YouTube. So that's how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.